So there we go. There's a piece of plastic. It's kind of like bleach jug material. It's on a roll. I don't know where it came from. My brother gave it to me, but I use it for template. So that's template for that notch. And then I have these, and I'm going to make 2 of them each. And I'm going to put a 1/4-inch plate right there on both sides, and then I'm going to put a 1/4-inch plate right there on both sides and weld it solid. So that should reinforce that from side to side, because this right here, this here's tight, like this here's snug in there. So I just need to like grease this, or I have some brass shim. It's really thin material, thinner than this. I can cut some brass washers and I can slide them in there and then pound the pin back in, so that this surface and that surface will have a brass washer in between. I'll throw some grease on it, and that will act as the side thrust kind of bearing on both sides. The pin, those pins right there, they fit nice and tight. I mean, this doesn't go up and down a lot, so it's not like it needs to have like a grease fitting on it or some strange thing. You just need to spray some grease on it from an aerosol can once in a while. But that's it. And then I think I'm gonna weld another washer on the bottom side, like across and down. I bent this one across and up so that it won't, they'll support one another and it'd be like a real tab. I like the washers though. They're quick and easy. You just bend them and put them in shape, and I mean, they function perfectly. You can bend them, they don't crack or nothing. It's mild steel. Perfect little circle. So yeah, and then I gotta make a template. I should make a template for supporting that pin on both sides. There's another one over there that I need to fix up. So yeah, get at that. So I got my templates all drawn out on there. This one here too, I've made 2 of those. So I'm just gonna cut them out now with the plasma cutter. And I'm just using these cheap Canadian Tire jobs for cutting them up. They don't last long, but you get a stack of them for like $50. So it's a cheap way to cut. So there we have a plate cut for that, for the frame, to gusset the frame. And I got another one over here cleaned up, cut it with a mini grinder. Basically that just fits up in there like that. I'm just going to weld that gap there a little bit. It's good to get some weld in there. Allow some weld to go in if you have a bit of a gap. No harm, no foul. And then I got those 4 pieces right there that go into the corners. This one's going to go right in there. We'll zap that in place. And then the bigger ones, well, they're gonna go right in there. And I'll weld that right in there, so that'll give it some strength to the weld that goes around here. So I got some paint on it now. And I got that plate welded in there. The axle there.
So there's a couple little spots I gotta get still. I think I'm just gonna touch it up with a brush here and there. You can't get in with a spray gun very easily in some spots. So, but that's basically it. Thanks for watching.